Is your higher portable AC leaking water? Don't worry, this is a common issue that most people can fix quickly once they identify the cause. First, let's understand how your portable AC works. These units cool air by drawing in warm, humid air and cooling it over evaporator coils, which creates condensation, water that must be managed properly. Modern portable ACs manage this condensation through three main systems: internal reservoirs that need emptying, self-evaporative systems that expel moisture through exhaust, or continuous drain hoses. Now let's identify the most common causes of water leaks. There are four main culprits you should check first. First, check if your condensate tank is full. This is the most common cause of leaks. The tank collects water and needs regular emptying, sometimes daily during hot weather. Second, inspect your drain hose. Look for kinks, clogs, or loose connections. Even a small bend can block water flow and cause backup leaks. Third, make sure your AC unit is perfectly level. Even a slight tilt of just 3 to 5 degrees can cause water to pool and leak instead of draining properly. Finally, check your air filters. Dirty filters restrict airflow, which can cause the evaporator coils to freeze. When these frozen coils thaw, they create excess water that can leak from your unit. You should also check for a cracked drain pan, which can develop over time and cause water to leak directly onto your floor. Now that you know what to look for, you can systematically check each of these common causes. The first and most common fix is checking your condensate tank. If it's overflowing, you need to empty it immediately. Next, check your drain hose for any kinks or blockages that could prevent proper water drainage. If your drain pan is cracked or damaged, you'll need to either seal it with waterproof sealant or replace it entirely. Dirty air filters are a major cause of leaks. Clean or replace your filters regularly to ensure proper airflow and prevent coil freezing. In very humid conditions, use your AC's dehumidifying mode and ensure your window installation is properly sealed to prevent humid air from entering. Regular maintenance is key to preventing future leaks. Clean vents regularly and vacuum around your unit to keep it running efficiently. If problems persist or you suspect refrigerant leaks or pump malfunctions, contact a professional technician for proper diagnosis and repair.